Hey everyone, if you want to create professional YouTube thumbnails using Remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds and create eye-catching thumbnails in minutes. Remove.bg helps you create clean cutouts of yourself or objects, making your thumbnails more clickable and professional. Start by selecting a high-quality image with a clear subject, preferably a face or main object. Go to the Remove.bg website using your browser. Click Upload and select your thumbnail photo, or drag and drop it into the upload area. Remove.bg will automatically remove the background within seconds. Download your image as a transparent PNG file so you can place it on any background. Import your cutout into tools like Canva, Photoshop, or CapCut to design your thumbnail. Combine your cutout with colorful backgrounds, bold text, and arrows to make your thumbnail more clickable. Use expressive faces, high-contrast colors, and simple text to increase your click-through rate. For best results, use high-resolution images and avoid cluttered backgrounds before uploading. A common mistake is using dark or blurry images, which reduces cutout quality. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Remove.bg for YouTube thumbnails in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.